Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Crafting with Erica. Today I'm going to be showing you how to design and sublimate socks. I have a pair of socks that I'm going to use from the Dollar Tree. These are men's socks. As you can see, they are 97% polyester. So I am going to sublimate with these, and we're going to design and sublimate, and let's see how that goes. The first thing you want to do is measure your socks. I'm going to use a sock jig and just put them on here so that it can stretch them out. You always want to make sure you stretch them out so that you will know where to put your design and stuff. I'm trying to decide if I should use the longer sock jig, but these are ankle socks, so I think I'm just, and plus I'm not going to go all the way up. I can, if you're going to go all the way up, I think you should use a much bigger one. You should use one of these if you want to go all the way up. Let's see how this works. Yeah, I'll probably use these just in case. Let's see. I actually like the smaller one better because it's a little wider and I feel like it stretches the socks more. So I'm going to use that one. All right. I am going to open up my Cricut design space and design in there. Okay, first I'm going to measure, and I have, not sure if you can see that, but that is about almost 4 inches. So I'm gonna say 4 inches in width and about 11 inches in height. So, all right. So inside of Cricut Design Space, I'm just going to start out with the shape. This shape is, it's a pennant. It kind of looks like a square. It's actually kind of put you in the mindset of this shape at the bottom because it has the round end. I'm going to use that and just go over to my measurements and type that in. So I'm going to put 4 for the width, unlock it, and I'm going to put 11.2 for the height just to get a little extra in there. Alright, and then I want to zoom out a little bit so that I can see it. And then I'm going to lock that back. This is just going to be my, so I can know what I'm working with. I'm actually going to click on print and cut so that it'll know that I'm trying to print and cut it. And then go to turn it white so that I can see it. It'll be the color of the socks, just, so I can know what I'm working with. And then I'm going to go to upload to pick my design. So, one moment. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see this or not, but I went ahead and changed the little background shape to a light gray so I can see it. I put a couple of pictures on there, and now I'm going to delete that background, attach it all together, and print it out on my sublimation printer and see how it turns out. So I'll be right back once I print it out. Printing for sublimation takes a few minutes, so one moment. Okay guys, I'm back. I am going to lint roll these socks. Before you sublimate anything, you always want to lint roll it before you heat press anything, actually. Go ahead and lint roll that. I'm not even doing the back, so I'm going to lint roll that also. I have printed my image. I'm sorry you can't see that. I trimmed around it. I'm going to trim around it. This is my image. Just going to place these on here. Make sure I get them all on there. Let me know that it is hot and ready. And I just want to make sure I can get, I think I got that. Get as much of this covered up as possible. I'm going to use some heat tape. So I'm going to just tape it as much as possible, because once I lift the machine up, the heat press up, I don't want it to move. If it moves, you'll get ghosting. You don't want that. Make sure you get this on here as good as possible. I'm sorry, I hope you guys can see that. Alright. And want to get it as much as possible so it won't go. Picture comes out very vibrant. I really like that. These socks are for my son. He loves this anime stuff. I'm gonna do that for him. And let's see. Alright. Alright, and I am going to finish taping this down and move over to the heat press. So, 1 second. Alright, I have moved it over here to my heat press. I have a piece of butcher's paper, parchment paper, whatever it's called, down first to protect my mat. Then the picture side goes up, and then you're going to cover it with another piece of paper to protect my heat press. Alright. My heat press is set at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. I'm going to press down and set the timer. Alright, the timer is up. I am going to remove the paper. I'm letting it sit for a few seconds because I don't want it to start ghosting. But as you see, those colors are coming through really nice. You can see them through the paper already, so I'm liking that. So hopefully these are really nice. So let's see. I have my heat gloves on because sometimes they can be really hot. So move them there. Alright. And let's remove the tape and see what we got here. It's okay if it rips, that's okay. Won't affect the socks or anything. I think these could have been pressed a little longer, really, at the bottom. I must have never taped that good, but it came out really nice. I am actually going to try it again and get it taped down a little more. Oh yeah, see, I like this one. This one is more vibrant. Okay, what about the thing? So yeah, here you go. And this is subbing stop. Oh, and in case you're wondering, I use A-Sub paper for my sublimation printer. So, all right, thank you for watching my channel. Again, do not forget to like and subscribe. If you want me to do something else or try something different, please let me know. I'm willing to do that. Thank you.